Okay guys, I'm back with another vlog. I went and checked on the door this morning, and my little homemade contraption I made yesterday seemed to have worked fine, because the door now shuts perfectly, and I managed to push the this piece that way, which was great. I think I'm going to focus on doing some work mainly up here, as well as that bit, which needs to be insulated and covered, and then do some final works in the corners, etc., and then prepare for the tiles that's going to go here, the mosaic tiles. Apart from that, I mean, I have a few things to do in here, namely a lot of plastering, which I'm really looking forward to. Or maybe I don't. As well as, I mean, doing all of the work down here, up here. So yeah, there are things to pick and choose from. And while the latex I put up in the corner dries a little bit, I'm gonna go get the fixing bracket as well as the manual, which I reluctantly have to use, I guess, so that I don't mount the bracket upside down, because that's gonna be I mean, it's a 50-50 chance, so it's I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, it's gonna go somewhere up there. Quite frankly, I don't know exactly where. I guess I need to have a look at the manual, or even call the electrician, because he put those pipes in, and yeah, I think those are on the left side. I'm gonna have a look at the manual. Okay, so I'm not gonna install the bracket right now. I don't know where the electrician wants the opening in the plasterboards exactly in correlation to the bracket. So I'm gonna do it in conjunction with him. What I am gonna do is prepare all the plasterboards, mount those I can mount, and do as much as possible on that, as well as in the other room. One is done, and now onwards towards the other room. That's it for now. I'm gonna leave the last piece open because the electrician needs access in order to put the last socket in. What I'll do now is I'm gonna do some work in the bathroom. I'm going to continue latexing all the joints in the ceiling, all the corners, around everywhere in the shower, etc. And then prepare for the damp protection that's going to go on there. did some work off camera because the battery was dead. But what I've done is covered this, plastered a bit, and now I'm going to do some work in here, mainly on the door opening and plaster that. That's enough plastering for one day. Not much, but as you guys probably know by now, I am not the biggest fan. I would like to say a huge thank you to all the new patrons that we have, and especially to John, who not only is a patron, he also upgraded. It's much appreciated. I am going to be back with the vlog series, but I will end it for now. Next one will be an episode in about a week or so, I guess, because I'm taking a short break from filming. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao!